Welcome to this session on Smart Development ASP.NET with the AI Tools and Tutorial Part 4. Build an Employee Management App. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ASP NET SQL Academy. In today's video, I will walk you through the best AI tools you can use as a developer and content creator. And we will take a special deep dive into NotebookLM, showing how you can download it and use it in your workflow. In the modern world, whether you are building ASP.NET applications or creating YouTube tutorials, AI tools can drastically speed things up, helping with the coding, planning content, researching, learning, and more. As a developer, tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT can help you write code faster, autocomplete snippets, generate unit tests, fix bugs, or even explain unfamiliar APIs. I use them daily when working on my ASP.NET and SQL projects. For creating videos and teaching content, AI becomes your assistant. I plan video scripts in ChatGPT, design thumbnails in Canva, edit quickly in Descript, and use NotebookLM to research topics and organize my teaching material. Now, let us zoom into NotebookLM, what it is, how it download and install it, and how I use it for my teaching and development workflows. NotebookLM is an AI note-taking and research tool developed by Google Lab. You upload your PDFs, Google Docs, websites, or slides, and it transforms them into interactive notebooks. You can query, summarize, ask questions, get insights. One of the key advantages of NotebookLM is that it uses your own uploaded content as the basis for answers, making it more accurate for your specific teaching and dev materials. It is perfect when you are planning a YouTube tutorial or working on a complex ASP.NET project and need to organize lots of docs. To start with NotebookLM, go to notebooklm.google.com in your browser. If you are on mobile, install the official NotebookLM app from Google Play or App Store. Some features may roll out gradually in your region. Here is how I use it. I create a notebook for a video topic, upload my notes, research docs, loop in YouTube links if needed. Then I ask NotebookLM to summarize or generate a teaching script. It even creates audio overviews you can listen to while commuting. For my YouTube video on, say, ASP.NET Core routing, I upload all my research docs into NotebookLM. Then I ask it to summarize the key concepts, suggest video titles, build a slide outline. That saves me hours of preparation and helps structure my content better. In an ASP.NET project, I upload my API specification and project docs into NotebookLM. I then ask it to generate controller skeletons, summarize endpoints, find potential gaps. It is like having a smart assistant reviewing your documentation before you code. A few things I have learned to get the best out of NotebookLM. Upload clean docs. Organize your notebooks by topic. Ask very specific questions. And always check the inline citations for trust. AI is powerful, but you should always verify critical outputs. Beyond NotebookLM, you should familiarize yourself with the other AI tools. ChatGPT for general coding and content work, GitHub Copilot inside Visual Studio for ASP.NET, Canva or Descript for video content, Perplexity for source-based research, and Midjourney or DAL.E for generating thumbnails or visuals. For my own roadmap, I am focusing on becoming a power user of NotebookLM, integrating AI deeply into my ASP.NET development and content creation workflows, using AI for video planning and teaching, and staying updated as new features emerges in 2025 and beyond. Thank you for watching. I hope this overview of AI tools and deep dive into NotebookLM gives you ideas on how to boost your development and teaching workflow. Pick one tool this week, maybe NotebookLM, and explore it deeply. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials combining ASP.NET SQL and AI tools. See you in next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like for more tutorials.